Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Mostly want to capture is this yellow right there. I should probably go into more of these coffee shops and different businesses and just kind of support them. Like just the buildings. There's even like Chinese lanterns. So I'm going to step aside in a second. I'm also going to show you what's in here too. So we're going to go down Eduardo Marques Street. All those yellow buildings all the way down. Just to give you some context to where we are. We're on the Cemetery Street. There's St. Michael's, which is a Catholic cemetery. So that's all behind me. And then we're going to be going into the St. Lazarus Street, which is going to be right here. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so that's our street name. I think I'll be able to see it better in a different location, but we're gonna go down it. It's a little bit bright today, so it's, I think at different times it'd be like more beautiful to see. But what I mostly want to capture is this yellow, like just the buildings. There's even like Chinese lanterns. So I'm gonna step aside in a second. I'm also gonna show you what's in here too. Kind of cool. That's a coffee shop. Let's step back a little bit. Try to give you the bigger picture here. Okay, so that's a coffee shop right there, and you got 3 stories. So that's really beautiful. I should probably go into more of these coffee shops and different businesses and just kind of support them and see what they're doing. But what I really like doing the most is just kind of walking around and seeing how the layout of things are. So this particular street we have a coffee shop, like 2 shops, looks like they're open. That one right there looks like it's closed, so I can see all the notes on the boards. So it looks like it's kind of that way down. So I'll just kind of show you real quick what I mean by that. Yeah, so you know, basically seeing these kind of things, meter replacement, just like basically just indication that something's going on. Actually, all these, some kind of license, maybe the license is up, maybe they're going to do something with this, something different. This one looks like it's being repaired, and then this one has all the mail. So most of these have either the mail or some kind of signs that say. But it's a beautiful street, so I think that they might be doing, somebody with a motorcycle block that parking space. But it's a beautiful street though. So they might be doing something with all these yellow buildings. The fact that they all have these notices on them. So we're gonna keep on walking down. Let me see. Looks like they're doing some repair work here. That's a nice building as well. Then of course this one is a different building altogether, and somebody just went in. It's like Social Security. It looks like a government building. And the hours look like government hours as well, and it is a government. So yeah, that's Social Security. Okay, let's get down the shady side. So we're still on our street, and then it looks like our street will end right here. So that's the end of our street, Eduardo's Marques. And then we're just going to kind of show you the 4 corners here. So this is part of Lazarus Street. There's some pretty cool stuff down this way, as you can see. Lazaro. That's our focus street. And you got that nice little space in there too. And then it turns into St. Michael Street. So this one right here is a different street altogether. So we got St. Michael, which also has some nice vibrant colors as well. But our target street, of course, was that one, Eduardo Marques. And I'm just gonna come up here briefly because this is also like really photogenic. So they'll call this the Lazarus district, and you'll have some nice Albuquerque right here. And I'm gonna just go into here briefly because it's a beautiful space, and it's kind of connected to the street we were on anyways. So they got a lot of artwork stuff here, Portuguese community, exhibitions going on, and they have exhibitions up in that other building too, that other yellow building that's one step above us. Yeah, and nice places to get some dinner as well. Really nice places. And then this one as well, of course. Beautiful windows, beautiful architecture. Got a Portuguese gift shop. And you also have like a historic wishing well right here as well. So that one, sometimes I'll have stuff around this wishing well, like romantic for, but not today. Today is actually the hottest part of the day, and we got an artist right there. So really beautiful space. This is very photogenic, and a lot of artwork is in the building right above us, but there's also a lot of events in this space too. So it's SCM, and it's they'll call it Albuquerque, which I'm probably mispronouncing it. Okay, so we just kind of tacked that onto our target street, but I think it's worth showing because our street was relatively short. So let me go back to our street again, and then we're going to end our video. So ours is Rua de Eduardo Marques. This one. $20.24. Let's check out Macau. Come on.